Welcome. So guys, that's my cousin bro. Show your face, YouTube. So we're already going to the village. I'm doing the vlog right now. Let's go. Sit down.
Okay, so yeah, that was us going down. We are now leaving the building from Enugu State to Ebonyi State, precisely. So yeah, right now we are leaving the compound. And try to see there's Mama's car. She sent her driver to come pick us from Enugu. So as you can see, my cousins, they're really they're so eager to get into the car because they like dragging for who sits at close to the window. They so much like it. Oh yeah, let's go. Stop lagging for the foyer. Who's is that one? Actually, bye. Oh, see them. Actually, we are still within Enugu. Yeah, we are still within Enugu. I had to fast forward the whole vlogging so I don't bore you. Yeah, so currently we in this one we already got into Afiko, and that's the street to the house. If you can see that signpost, that's their grandpa's name. They bought this street with their grandpa's name. That's so awesome. It's good to have money. Okay, yeah, so my auntie is pointing at the building. Yeah, so the man driving, that's grandma's driver. She sent him to come pick us from Enugu. She's almost miss us. That's why she sent the driver to come pick us. Okay. Yep. And we are home. We've gotten home. As you can see, the house is so fine. Actually, this house was built. That was last year, and ending of last year, and it was dedicated by December during grandma's 80th birthday. So the girl opening the gate, that's Miracle, grandma's grandchild. Yeah, she's staying with grandma. The gate man, what's his name, safe? Mohammed went to go and pray. He went to mosque. Yeah, he's a Muslim, so he went to mosque. So he wasn't around. So yeah, we are
House
home.
is so
fun. I'm big.
What are you bringing? Getting our stores. Yeah. Hi. Mimi, can you about that? The house is fine. What's your Is it food?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'll show your face. You'll be famous. Let's go. Here's the camera. What's my cameraman?
Yeah, Chris.
Let's go. Wow.
This house will like good.
It's been I bought it.
It's me that bought the gala.
Everybody's eating.
Rice and beans and stew.
Sorry, I know that if I was working on it, where's my name in FYI?
Alright, so that's the bush bar. Then this grandma's apartment. This one, Uncle Pieces one, like 4 apartments in one. So guys, let's go into grandma's apartment. I have not taken her tea.